Hi everyone, we were able to get the Redbull advent calendar for my husband. He is so excited. I'm excited for him. It's his first advent calendar and I am opening up all the days. If you don't want to watch, you better just click off now. He was able to pick up this box today and so he decided to open up all of the days, and we wanted to share with you all what each day has. The advent calendar is really nice. I like the way that they set up, the way that you open it up. So we had to look for some of the days, and here I am. I'm about to open up each day. This is day 1 to day 24, all in order. And we hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.